Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukonrat Sangma haka Arsautrik Ukala Lingkod Arhajar Apusan ula plepat ba ya ka referral unit ka Baningkong ha Community Health Center Ranikor Southwest Khasi Hills District haringkat ka jingedon langka kong amperin lingdo ka menteri badipet ya katanat ka kot kakya Menteri Rangba haba ai jingkren ula penpau ba kani ka de ka thong jong ka sarkar ban kintiu ya ki kampen roi ha ka jaka kendong khamtam ha ka bayade bat ka kot kakya Namang yu ya ka jing ki pat ba ki badan kam ya ka jing sumar ki bahapan ya ka lenti ka bajngai kumbasan hadu hanrew kanta bat ka bakta ru ya ka yap ka im upat ba ulapan pau ru ya ka jing kemen bayo bakum kini ki kampen roy ki lawan hakeleng ki jaka jong ka jela bat ka ni ka pen ka jing thrang shisha jong ka sarkar ban kintiu ya ka kot ka khya ha ka jela Menteri Rangba ula ai khublei ru ya baro kinong trei ka kot ka khya nadu ki officer ka DHS Kinong tray ka DMHO Southwest Khasi Hills District khamtam ki doktor bat ki nurse ki batray shitam nak benta banchakri ya upat ba
Yes sir, yes sir.
CLC will have this facility.
We have trained doctors, sir.
Yes.
He is MSc trained. ESC trained. And we even have one ultrasound trained, sir.
So these are all trained for 6 months in Chennai.
Yes, you told me. Great.
They have been working for
You can't imagine, really. So it's really a great responsibility also, but a great a chance to really serve. It really will do so much good for the people. So really, congratulations to all of you. So I have decided to, because it's a big thing to do for all the states and PHCs. So we decided to
remote PHCs,
yeah, the ones that are very, very interior, where the accommodations are not present. We have decided to sanction immediately for quarters and all. So Ranikor is one of them.
Yes.
So this will itself sanction immediately new quarters.
Actually, sir, this is subdivision. If you can admit it to subdivision of
Yeah, fine. That it can automatically happen, sir, because with this particular FRU and OT, it's actually it can be considered that, right? But the thing is that let's start. Just now we started as an FRU. Next time we are actually starting as a CSC now.
Now in the Ranikor CHC, where we have just inaugurated the first referral unit out here in the Ranikor CHC. And as you can see behind me, that the operation theatre right here, this has been upgraded, and now all the facilities required to carry out most of the operations, the facilities are available right here in Ranikor CHC. Apart from the operation theatre, the labor room and other equipments for different kind of investigation have also been upgraded. And this is part of our efforts to strengthen our rural infrastructure, especially in terms of health, because we've seen that people have to travel long distances to avail basic health facilities. They have to travel sometimes 5-6 hours, which could be the difference between life and death for some of them. So therefore, we are very happy that these kind of facilities are coming out throughout the state, and this is another example of our commitment to strengthen our health services throughout the state. And I must congratulate the entire health department for the initiative that they have taken, whether it's the directors, our principal secretary, our minister, all of them. I would like to congratulate them for the great achievement. I also would like to thank our doctors and nurses who have been placed here and are providing dedicated service. It is not always easy to be in interior locations, and providing the kind of service that they do, but their dedication, in a way, sacrifice and the commitment to their work, and more important to the people of the state, is something that I would like to give my sense of appreciation to them, and I wish them the very best, and once again thank the entire health department for the excellent work that is taking place.